Now we are doing Emily's nighttime routine, and the true time is 7:53. So I would have only put Christopher to bed not too long ago, not even an hour ago. Hey Siri. My Siri's answered at the same time. I probably could have figured that out, but I was too lazy. So technically I put him to bed 23 minutes ago, but really I put him to bed 2 hours ago. So he's sleeping. Now we're gonna start her routine. So Emily, it's time to get ready for bath and bed. Shower and bed, sorry. Not your room. Go this way. Pajamas for you. You want these ones tonight? Okay. What about we wear these? No, you don't want these tonight? Okay, that's fine. Are you sure? Hey. You sure you want these? That's a day outfit. We're gonna wear pajamas to bed. Okay? This is the ones we're wearing. Or we can wear this ones. Let's turn on the light. Ready? Technically, tonight's not your shower night. We had a busy day, so I will shower you tonight and tomorrow. I could also call her Nicole because that's my name, my middle name. My first name is Christy Ann. That's my legal name, Christy Ann. I'm not gonna say my last name. I'll go wake up Christopher to brush his teeth. Hey, you. Son. Get up, please. You didn't brush your teeth? No. Upstairs. You brush your teeth? Emily, don't do that again. Now you're gonna go back to bed. Back to bed. In real life, I would not wake up a child like that. Hey, you, go brush your teeth. I'm back. Oh, here's clothes I didn't put away. Okay. You want conditioner today? Or just shampoo today? You try first. Wet your hair. Good job. Put your shampoo in. Now put the conditioner in. Perfect. Emily, are you done? You want help? Okay, there you go.
Savannah? You think it's funny?
Let's get your pajamas on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And go sit by the dryer. Put you... Sorry guys, that's my roommate. Dry your hair. Take your clothes.
That is forking.
Take your brother's clothes. Okay, sweetie. You have to go downstairs. There you go. See, Mom is downstairs. Okay. Your medicine's in the fridge. And I'm gonna get you a cup of water. Good job. It's bedtime now. Here. Take the water upstairs. You can put your water down here. Good night, sweetheart. She can have in her bed all of her stuffies. There you go. Perfect. She is sleeping. Go in his room very quietly. Looks like he's done with the water. This was organized earlier, now it's a mess again. These are gender swappable. It's funny. Although I think she looks good in that. But I'm going to put her in her original pajamas and then him in his. Sit down. Honey, sit. Sit down. Thank you. One hour later. Honey, it's 11 p.m. now. We should probably go to bed. You're right. And I have to take to the other house. See you smile. I think it's cute. The mouth closes when he sleeps. Like this, and then like this when he's sleeping. My dad always used to lie on this side of the bed. That's why I put this character on this side of the bed. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. And we're gonna go up. So her we need to go up. Him we need to go down. Up. I forgot to grab the books. Good night, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll post tomorrow morning to let you guys know how Christopher's punishment is going and if it's helping. Bye, everyone.